So what we're going to look at now is how to exchange your fiat currency and actually buy bitcoins. So your fiat currency is the things like US dollar, euros, British pound, etc. And you want to transfer your paper money into bitcoins. Okay. Now there's a few website or exchanges which you're allowed to do this with. The first one I'm going to review is Coinbase. Now Coinbase is a website for US consumers. And what you have to do here is you obviously register for an account with Coinbase, and then you go through a few verification steps, such as you link your bank account, you have to verify your identification, verify your address, verify your bank account, etc. And these are the standard normal anti-money laundering procedures. So once you have done that, you've got your bank account linked. You would then transfer money to Coinbase, and then you would just use the money you've got in your Coinbase account to buy bitcoins from them. So at the going rate at the moment, you get one bitcoin for $260.07. And then once you've got a bitcoin, you can keep it in their website wallet, or then you could distribute it to your own Bitcoin wallet, which I would advise anyone to do, because the Bitcoin wallet is obviously independent of any particular website, and it's the ledger which Bitcoin uses. And the only downside to this website is again, it is for US consumers. So if you're from the UK or other international country, then you can't use it. But they are a very good, financially well-funded company, and I think it's probably the best one to use if you're actually from the USA. The next one we're going to look at is Bitstamp. Now Bitstamp are very well known, they're an established company, and again the procedure is pretty similar to what Coinbase offer, in the sense that you have to link up your account, verify your identification, verify who you are and where you live. And once that's done, it could take 2 or 3 days to verify that. You can then transfer money. Okay, so when you transfer money, then you can buy your bitcoins at the going rate on Bitstamp, and then you can distribute those to your Bitcoin wallet, or have Bitstamp simply hold them for you. And they're a good company because they allow international traders to buy bitcoins, and the rate they supply is very, very good. Then what you have to check on, because there's a number of websites, a number of exchanges, is that the Bitcoin price is a bit different to each one. I mean, I'm talking only a few dollars. So if you're looking at on Coinbase, it's 260, for instance. On Bitstamp, it's 259. So there's a small amount. So, but these don't present arbitrage opportunities. It's just the level of these companies present their prices at. So they're all pretty similar in terms of that. The only difference is you might get between the various sites is the fees. Okay, and now we've got a third one which we'll look at is BTC.E. They're another, again, established Bitcoin exchange. And with this particular one, again, verification procedures. Who are you? Where do you live? Do all that. And then you send the money to them in the chosen currency, and they'll transfer it over, and they'll keep your money in US dollars on your account, and then you can buy bitcoins directly from them once everything's all finalized. So they're a good company. They've been around, I say, a long time, and the only downside is which you have to check on the small print between these particular exchanges, is the cost, the wire cost, because sometimes they charge you like 1% or something of the overall amount to receive, and so you've got to be aware of these kind of stealth costs and stuff if you're doing this. And lastly, my favourite of all is Local Bitcoins. Now this is the most simple one of the lot to use. So you are dealing person to person with other Bitcoin traders out there. So for instance, I'm in the UK, so I want to buy Bitcoins, and I can do this either in person or just remotely on the website. So I want to say, spend £200, I want to pay them by these various methods. So you can pay by national bank transfers, often the easiest one, and cash, pay Pingit, MoneyGram, etc., etc. Yeah. So, and I try and find a various offer on that. So I can get a Bitcoin for £179, one Bitcoin. And what I would simply do is buy that, and then it holds that rate for about 10-15 minutes, of which I get emailed the guy's bank details, and then I do a direct bank transfer from my bank to his bank, which is normally instantaneous. And then once he's received the funds, he'll just send me the Bitcoin to my local Bitcoins address, and then I can just simply withdraw that Bitcoin to my Bitcoin wallet, so everything's nice and safe. This is particularly my favourite one, because I can get the Bitcoins instantly. I don't have to register or faff around with registration or any country limits or waiting for bank transfers across seas. So that is the fastest way